All right, today we're taking a look at the 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500. This is a designer package car, fully loaded with everything they offered in 2005. Car's pretty high tech for an 05. You got heated and cooled seats. It does have an upgraded Bluetooth radio system in it. You got the real AMG appearance wheels on there as well. Interior is in great shape. Do have the factory Bose sound system in this as well. This is a real hardtop convertible. This one just landed. She's available. It's on the website, BRIANSAutoCenter.com. Or give us a phone call, 732-528-9777.